Here's interesting app called Think or Swim Trade Invest. One of the top trading apps out there in US. Um, yeah, it's constantly in the top charts in finance. So yeah, here you can just explore it and add this app to your portfolio of apps. Like, some people like Robinhood, other people like Schwab or other apps. Just also give a try to this one. It has almost 300,000 ratings, pretty high average rating 4.7. Don't miss a minute of the market. Put the minute of sink or swim right into your pocket. Put the power of this app right in your pocket with trading app. So let's just open it up. Let's see what the process is. So here you can see the app. You can, if you want live trading, you can log in, or you can just open an account. So seems this app is just from Ameritrade. So yeah, here you can just find the account. Need to say this app is not like Robinhood. It's much more complicated. So yeah, it's maybe even it's more like trustworthy and stuff like that. But you need to know what you're doing here. It's not like for like swapping like $50 here and there. So yeah, like if you want to open an individual account, then you can just go here and enter first last name, go through here, enter all of this information, and then this application. You can also download it and yeah, continue with that. You can also just log in if you already have user ID and password. Again, if you want to open an account, you can just see some additional categories here. Is retirement, so it's pretty advanced. And then you can always reach out here in the support. There is support number in the bottom. And yeah, so that's basically the process just to how you can get started.